If you're in the edutainment business like us, or maybe even if you're not, Christmas could be a disgusting time to grow your channel. I mean, look at this. It's a graph of our own channel. Every year our watch time plummets. So thanks, Santa, you d***. Alright, well they're making me do something Christmassy, so this is as far as I'm willing to go. No expense spared. Now, the reason this happens to our channel is simple. People would rather spend time with their friends and family than grow a YouTube channel, which is just the worst attitude. You won't find me socialising. Not when there's a YouTube channel to grow anyway. Right, to find out if you should even bother watching the rest of this Scrooge Fest, firstly, you need to work out how your channel behaves over the festive period. I just refuse to wear that. So, log into your YouTube studio, select Analytics, and then hit up the timeline and select Lifeline. If you can see these dips around the end of December and the start of Jan, keep watching. If you don't, keep watching and smash that like button. Unless, well, you think you know it already. And are you a know? You think you're too good for this channel? Too good, eh? So now we need to talk about Mariah Carey. Her song All I Want for Christmas has grossed her $60 million by the end of 2018. She could have lived the high life off that one song for an ever and ever and ever, amen. YouTube could provide your channel with similar wealth. Well, maybe not similar, but a lot of festive views. And the great thing about Christmas content is you can make it evergreen, so it builds your channel every Christmas. And there's most likely going to be less competition in your niche for it and still a good amount of search terms. So, what do you make? Well, firstly, we have festive education. Just like this video is harnessing Christmas cheer, you can too. Find your festive spin and teach people how to do something Christmas themed. Number 2, go for a Christmas special. Every year, the market is flooded with smart Christmas adverts. In the UK, John Lewis ads go viral every year. People actually get excited by its release. It's like the Super Bowl in the USA. The ads are what Christmas has become about, which I'm sure thrills Jesus. There's no reason you can't try to create some festive laughs or even a bit of mayhem. Tell a story, mix it up for your fans, and throw the rulebook out the window for a festive chance to go viral. Or just do what my friend did and wrap yourself up in a parcel and let your dog unwrap you. He gets hundreds of millions of views every year from this. Okay, maybe don't do that, but you get my point. It's the simple things in life. If you've ever wanted to try something new, then this is your chance. Sure, it could suck, in which case people will probably forgive it as festive nonsense, or it could open your whole channel up to a new format and make the following year a bumper one. Number 3, highlights. Kind of like the 2019 YouTube Rewind video, you can make a highlights montage of your own year. Sure, this isn't great for search, and if you're small, you might not get many views through suggested either, but for your tribe and subscribers, the people who do value you and watch your stuff, well, they'll enjoy the memories. Let them in behind the scenes, take them through your channel analytics, and talk about what's been working and what hasn't. Transparency goes a long way online, and festive cheer goes hand in hand with it. Number 4, aspirations. Talk about your aspirations for next year and publicise your goals to help inspire your viewers and other creators. This lets your tribe in on your journey, making them feel part of it. You can ask for input too. What do they want to see more of? And what can you help with? It might not boost your festive views, but it's the right time to ask for feedback when people are drunk and silly. Number 5, inspire action. If you're educating, get your viewers to review their end of year progress, give them things to track, and compare from when they started with you on their journey. We'll be doing a review of our own channel and what happened posting 3 videos a week for an entire year very soon. So subscribe to get that, or check out our channel anyway. It might be there now if this video is more than a week old. So, if you want more views, go festive first. The Xmas period will be busy for most, which means your competition won't be posting. Ha! On the other hand, why not focus your content on those that make your channel what it is? The regulars and the ones who enjoy your more open and candid selection of festive chocolate videos. I couldn't think of anything there. And most importantly, to make sure Santa doesn't ignore your house this year, hit subscribe, like, leave a comment, and watch this video here about using evergreen content to grow your channel, or watch our latest release, because we have a deal with Santa that anyone who doesn't will get nothing, and we mean nothing this Christmas. Not sure how he struck up that deal, but I think we dug out some dirt on him from his last staff party. Sometimes to grow a channel you have to be ruthless. Merry Christmas.